Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Best Western on the Bay Inn and Marina. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Best Western on the Bay Inn and Marina. This hotel, located on an island village connecting Miami and Miami Beach, features a marina. Rooms include satellite TV, and the Miami International Airport is 11 miles away. An outdoor pool is available along with billiards at Shucker's Dockside Grill. Guests can also use the business center and gym. Every room at the North Bay Village Best Western on the Bay Inn and Marina is furnished with a coffee maker, microwave and refrigerator. Free internet is provided along with the HBO channel. The Miami Seaquarium is 13 miles from the Best Western on the Bay Inn and Marina. Normandy Shores Golf Course is 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.